Welcome to Rob Talks. Let's take a look at today's Mayan calendar. Here's the translation for April 1st, 2026 for all three calendars. First up is the long count calendar, which is being represented by 13 Baktun, 0 Katun, 13 Tun, 5 Uinal, and the 3 Kin. This long count position reflects a phase where energy begins to expand through connections and movement. Momentum builds as you engage more actively with your environment and purpose. The 3 Kin is about energy gaining momentum through interactions and expression. You're being asked to engage with others meaningfully and to take action toward your goals. This is also a time to expand your reach and to move with intention. Next up is the Tzolk'in calendar, which I'm translating the entire 13-day cycle in another video. If you're interested in seeing it, I'll link it at the end of this one. Today's Tzolk'in date is 9 OK. OK is represented by the dog. It's about love, loyalty, companionship, and heart-centered connections. The number 9 is a number of completion, patience, and a higher perspective. Together, 9 OK brings the energy of love and completion. OK is the energy of the heart. It's compassionate, devoted, and sincere. When coupled with the number 9, it brings a higher perspective, encouraging patience and understanding as cycles near a completion. You're being asked to lead with love and to strengthen meaningful relationships. Also to practice compassion and patience and to see situations from a higher perspective. Now let's see what the Hob calendar has to say. The Hob date is 18 Mol. Mol is associated with water gathering. It's about unity, collective strength, and the gathering of water. Day 18 is about a final stage before completion. Together, 18 Mol marks the final stage of this collective cycle, before a completion. Energy is building toward a closure, encouraging awareness of what has been learned and experienced with the dynamics of others. You're being asked to reflect on your experiences with others and prepare for a completion. This is a time to acknowledge growth and to bring closure where needed. Now let's look at what the collective message is from all three calendars. Here's the meaning of each calendar summed up. The long count is about expanding momentum. The Tzolk'in is about love, connections, and a higher perspective. The Hab calendar reflects a final stage of a collective cycle. This is a day of heart-centered connections and nearing completions, a time to lead with love, to stay patient, and honor the journey. Collectively, this day emphasizes the power of love and connections. As cycles near completion, compassion and understanding helps to bring harmony and closure. The alignment energy of OK welcomes in heart-centered expressions and connections. When we offer guidance that resonates on both a spiritual and emotional level, we help others feel connected and supported. Here is an affirmation reflecting today's calendars, but please first remember to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to help us grow. Thank you. Now here's the affirmation. I lead with love, trust the process, and honor the connections in my life. Thank you all for your support.